Hey guys, today we're unboxing Kingdom Builders. Hey Papa, before you forget, play the intro. Oh guys, also it says lift.
Yeah, let's lift it then.
Ah, yeah.
Whoa, look at that. 30 pieces. Unlock your castle's hidden secrets. So there's hidden secrets in this, Chris.
I know.
Like Julian's already excited with it.
Yeah.
Julian.
Julian.
Nope, he doesn't care. You like it, Julian?
Huh?
You like it?
Okay, it looks so.
No?
Punch it up.
I said we open it.
Hey guys, let's open.
All right, let's open it.
Oh, this is heavy.
Yeah?
Oh, what is this? Oh my God, it's the part of the kingdom. It's a bridge. What else is there? Oh,
Julian's there to help.
it's the, I don't know what that is.
Take out all the pieces
I
from
know,
in
let me
there.
go and take the box though. Wow, there's so much stuff in here. Wow, I want inside the box. Wow.
Chris, half of your body's missing. Oh, there you are. Is that it? I think there's more.
This.
Julian's already digging the toy.
He's like, what's that?
Julian, you like it? Is there more?
One more thing. I see something, but it's only on the bottom. I'm gonna see you guys later. Wow! I found a pistol.
Is there anything else?
Yeah, one more thing. I'm stuck out. I'm back. That's it.
All right, let's build it,
So
okay?
how about the minion? We need the man to build it because he has the screwdriver.
Yeah.
So what he brought us?
It says Kingdom Builders. There's a secret somewhere in there, Chris. It's 30 pieces.
I think this is the secret.
We have the evil dragon. Whoa, is that a missile? Shoot it, Chris.
Yeah.
Whoa, is that a cannon?
Yeah.
Shoot it. Oh, that's cool.
What's down here?
Wait, where's the king?
I don't know.
Whoa, how about we open the door? Open the door through the back, maybe.
Okay.
Oh,
What is this?
I'm not sure.
Let's twist it.
Oh, there he is. Whoa, I think the king is gonna go through that rope.
He's gonna hold on.
Oh, that's the king. He's gonna swing. That is cool. Oh, he almost fell. Put him all the way on top of the tower, Chris. Yeah, that's just, that is so cool.
Subscribe to CrisJRTv. Yeah, I am the king. Oh look, I found something.
Wow, that's cool,
I
Chris.
found something.
What did you find?
Whoa.
Wow, you're okay?
Happy.
Yeah? No? Look right here. Put it right here. Or you can do that. Julian, look. This. Look, if you put your king right here, you can swing it. Yeah, look. Julian, look.
Julian, hi.
It's the evil dragon. Show him your king. Fight on. You go, Julian. You're defeating him.
Yeah.
Get him. There There you go. There you go.
I hope you like the Squid Spice list and the new toy.
Yeah, so.
Sensor to shell. And look, this one too.
Oh, that's a booby trap.
The booby trap.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed us building this real cool castle by Kingdom Builders. But I think the king wants to say something one last time.
Subscribe to CrisJRTv.
Oh, you want them to subscribe to CrisJRTv? Well, the people will. Thanks for watching, guys.